Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is my full review and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, Samsung's most refined flip phone in 2025. We'll break down what's changed, what's new, and whether it's worth your upgrade. Let's unfold this together. On screen, handling the Flip 7. You'll find the phone, USB-C cable, SIM eject tool, and documentation. No charger included, which is now Samsung standard. First impression? Samsung went thinner and lighter, 6.5mm unfolded, 13.7mm folded, weighing just 188 grams. The Armor aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and improved flex hinge add to the premium feel. The main display is a stunning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X, 120Hz, and hits 2600 nits peak brightness. But the real game changer? The edge-to-edge 4.1-inch flex window cover screen, also 120Hz with 2600 nits and improved visibility outdoors thanks to Vision Booster, finally rivaling Motorola's Razr Ultra. Under the hood is Samsung's new Exynos 2500 3nm chipset, paired with 12GB RAM and 256 or 512GB of storage. It handles multitasking, AI workflows, and streaming with ease. The Flip 7 keeps the 50MP main and 12MP ultra-wide rear cameras, with a 10MP front-facing cam. Hardware may be the same as last year, but the Pro Visual Engine and Galaxy AI enhance image clarity, offer AI zoom, and enable FlexCam selfies using the cover screen. You get a 4300 mAh battery, promising up to 31 hours of video playback, with support for 25W wired, 10W wireless, and reverse wireless charging. Running on One UI 8 with Android 16, the Z Flip 7 debuts Galaxy AI features like Now Brief widgets, Auto AI translations, and DeX support for the first time on a Flip. It launches at $1,099, 256GB, and $1,219, 512GB, available from July 25, 2025, with pre-orders live now via Samsung, carriers, and retailers. So, should you upgrade? Thanks for watching my first impressions of the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Ready to flip for this phone? Let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the full camera test coming next week.